boys, for our grand finale, we're going to bring up many more birds on stage. So, let's get started. First pair of pelicans from Africa, the great white pelicans. Next pair from India, our spot-bill pelicans. The next four pelicans come all the way from Europe, our Dalmatian pelicans. Come on down, guys. So far, we only have pelicans on stage, but that's not all. We will be joined by our long-legged beauties, our greater flamingos from Africa. Last but not least, let's not forget our beautiful fly past of macaws from South America. Up there and there. Fantastic flying. There you have it, our grand finale of birds. Can we give them a big hand? Great job. Now with that, we'll come to the end of the show. In a few moments' time, after we usher these birds back home, there will be a photography session.